Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Hello po, DJ Lala. Lately, I am confused. Kasi all my life, I've been aiming to get some academic validation. I mean, who I am without it. I don't want to disappoint my mother naman kasi. Dahil I am the panganay, and I want to prove them that I am always better. I always try my best naman, kaso parang sobrang hirap talagang i-achieve. Consistent honor student naman ako doon. Doon ko din siguro nakuha ang meaning ng failure. Gusto ko din naman mas-spend yung teenage life ko, pero paano kung palaging nakatambak yung schoolworks ko? I am only 16 years old and I want to enjoy paminsan-minsan. Iniisip ko nga, palagi ko na lang bang i-isolate ang sarili ko from my freedom? Please help me and do not mention my name. I'm listening right now. I'm 16 from Masbate City. My love, lagi niyong tatandaan na when it comes to pressure, when it comes to validation, hindi yan laging nanggagaling sa paligid natin. Kadalasan yung biggest pressure that we have in life, yung hardest one that's been pounding in our heads, yung pressure na yun ay nanggagaling mula sa atin. We are trying to pressure ourselves to be more every single day. I'm not saying that is bad, pero if you do it too much, then it is. Kung sakasakaling nag-create ka ng goal, and for now, hindi mo naabot yung goal na yun, let me ask you a question. Do you stop trying? Stop ka bang sumubok kapag nag-fail ka one time? If the answer is no, then my love, the pressure on you ay hindi mo niyayakap. Kumbaga, you are not allowing yourself to give in to pressure. You fight against it. You rebel against it. That's why siguro pag nag-try ka uli, most likely you'll succeed. Kasi this time around, you are ready. You know what not to do. You're wiser. You're smarter. Therefore, you'll be successful on it. Now, if you are the type of person na nag-give up, then my love, ibig sabihin nun, you are letting pressure win. You are letting pressure get the best of you. That's why you end up feeling lonely, feeling depressed, feeling so stressed, feeling unworthy. Kasi all of the words you used, my love, yung disappointment, yung failure, those are the words you tell yourself. Those are the words you put in your own head. I'm sure yung parents mo are happy and very proud of you kapag nasa honor roll ka, kapag gumagraduate ka with honors, kapag napapasama ka sa mga pangalan sa Academic Excellence Recognition Day or Commencement Exercises Emerald. I'm sure proud na proud sila, my love. But if ever na hindi ka mapupunta doon, pero nakikita ka nilang nagsusubok sa pag-aaral, talagang nagsusunog ng kilay, talagang pinaprioritize mo yung studies mo, they are equally as proud of you. Just like when you are part of the honor roll. You wanna know why? Kasi they are not really after the grades itself or alone. They are after the attitude na pinapakita mo that you want to be someone in life. Yun yung mas pinagtutuunan nila ng pansin at dun sila mas napaproud. Hindi lang dahil matataas yung grades mo. Hindi lang dahil nasasabitan ka ng mga medalya, but because when you want something in your life, you make it happen. Yung discipline mo, yung motivation mo, yung determination mo, those are the traits that they are mostly proud of. You wanna know why I know? It's because that's what I tell my younger siblings. That they wanna do good in school, that's fine. Now, kung hindi nila na perfect yung isang exam or hindi sila yung best sa ganitong klaseng subject, I won't reprimand them for not achieving that. Kasi I'm already proud at them. Or I'm already proud of them. Sa kagustuhan nila, sa pagkapursigido nila, na ayusin yung pag-aaral nila, that alone is something that I am proud of. So my love, lift the pressure off your shoulder. If you want to live your life, if you want to be a teenager, then the decision is upon you. As early as now, learn to prioritize. Learn the art of time management. Yung meron kang time sa pag-aaral, meron kang time for schoolworks, but you also create time for your own self, like for self-energizing activities, self-help, yung mga tipong pampaganda at pampagaan ng loob mo. Back in my days, I've told this story one too many times actually, na kung gusto naming manood ng cartoons back then, sa panahon namin ng mga kapatid ko, kung gusto namin manood ng cartoons at meron kaming examination sa coming week, kailangan ma-perfect man namin or mataas yung makuha naming score sa exam na ginawa ng nanay ko. If maganda yung maging grades namin sa exam na yun, that's when we can watch. Doon ko natutunan yung time management. Doon ko natutunan yung kailangan kong gumawa ng something great na ako rin naman yung makikinabang in order to play harder. As early as back when I was in an elementary, naintindihan ko na yung sinasabi nilang work hard and play harder. I think that's something that you should do yourself. Pamper yourself after you've done everything that you need to do. So that hindi ka ma-exhaust. Katulad ngayon, hindi ka ma-burnt out. Naintindihan mo ko, my love, and lift the pressure off your shoulder. Yes, academic excellence is highly encouraged. Highly encouraged yan. Pero hindi lang dyan natatapos ang buhay sa academic excellency. Kasi kapag nagtapos ka sa four corners of your room, there's a lot more things that you should be learning. It's a crazier world outside the academe. It's a different world. In order to prepare yourself for it, kailangan marami kang happy memories na baunin. So that when the time comes that you are feeling down, meron kang bucket full of joy na you can tap into para ma-re-energize ka, para maging masaya ka uli, para ma-take away yung utak mo sa pressure of life itself. Marami ka pang haharaping pagsubok sa paglabas mo sa four corners of your school. So don't start pressuring yourself right now. Kaming mga adults, we face pressure every single day of our lives. Pero we don't let it eat us up. We don't let it bring us down. We don't let it overpower our own lives. Kaya nga, nagkakaroon kami ng mga breaks eh. Nagkakaroon kami ng mga getaways. Kasi you need to let your brain breathe eh, from everything that you've been thinking about. So again, my love, lift mo yung pressure off your shoulder. Ikaw lang nag-iisip niyan. You are not a disappointment. Everybody is proud sa kagustuhan mo to be something in your life. Everybody is proud that you are that mature to think about your future sa age mong yan. But do not forget to live your childhood life. It's the memory that you'll tap into kapag na-pressure ka na sa adult life. And I am telling you, you'll need a lot of that. Kasi wala kang matatap, wala kang makukuha, wala kang mahuhukay once na nag-sink in na yung totoong pressure after school. I'm telling you, it's a different world kapag natapos ka na ng pag-aaral. So for now, my love, take it easy. Do not ever think that your parents, your family will be less proud of you kapag hindi ka laging pasok sa level of excellency na meron ng school ninyo. They just want you to be happy. They just want you to have the proper preparation. Para kapag andun na kayo sa journey ng mga career ninyo, ng mga profession ninyo, handa na kayo. Yun ang concern nila. Not your grades. Not what's written in your diploma. Not how many medals you have around your neck. But your preparation in life. Yun lang naman ang concern nila and your happiness. Lagi mo yan tatandaan. Klaro? Klaro.